Lemurs, an independent evolutionary path in Madagascar. The separation of large supercontinents such as Gondwana and Pangaea in the distant past of the Earth separated the living organisms that were on it. The years have brought the extinction of many living things. Some have left fossils behind, while others have disappeared completely. New continents provided new evolutionary pathways for organisms. In the years following the continent separation, some creatures crossed the watery distance between them and reached one land from another. Sea water carried seeds to distant lands. The birds caught in storms and terrified by lightning and violent waves, as well as the animals floating on rafts across the seas, dumbfounded by the fate that awaited them, stepped onto new shores. From the east coast of Africa to Madagascar, lemur ancestors crossed the Mozambique Channel, a channel wider than 400 kilometers, about 62 to 65 million years ago on a raft or some branches. This was some time after the Great Extinction, when a large meteor probably landed in the Gulf of Mexico. A dark cloud hung over the planet for months, if not years. 3/4 of all living things on the planet were destroyed. Dinosaurs went extinct. Evolution created a new world for those who stayed. Over perhaps a month's journey, on sometimes calm, sometimes raging waters, the ancestors of the lemurs stepped onto the stunning island of Madagascar. Dreamy paradise with diverse weather and a wide variety of foods. Throughout this land, they spread, grew, and flourished. Having no significant competitors for food resources and biological territory, lemur ancestors spread across the entire island, from north to south and east to west. They evolved independently from other parts of this earth over millions of years, reaching an amazing range of biodiversity. Lemurs are very diverse, much more than any other primate, with different sizes, sounds, looks, behaviors and habits. For example, Madame Bertha's mouse lemur measure 9 centimeters in length and weigh 30 grams, while some extinct lemurs once reached the size of gorillas and weighed 200 kilograms. Ai is a nocturnal lemur. It digs under the bark of trees at midnight for food with its long, slender fingers. It has a unique hearing system, and like rodents, it always grows its front teeth. There are some other lemurs with slow metabolisms and long sleep periods similar to sloths. For a more detailed explanation of different types of lemurs, and their unique features, you can watch my other video, whose link is in the description. Among the 100 species of Madagascar lemurs, 17 have gone extinct because of human interference, forest loss, habitat fragmentation, and political instability. Several of them have gone extinct in the last few decades and centuries, and the remaining species are endangered. Human has changed the food pyramid of living organisms by entering new lands, exposing many animals to damage and extinction. The ecosystem is constantly changing under the influence of weather conditions and natural factors. Upon their arrival, humans impose additional stress. The ecosystem of any land can be divided into the period before and after the arrival of humans. Animals with large body mass are more vulnerable. Their reproductive and survival capabilities are limited, making them more vulnerable to extinction. With the arrival of humans, many large animals have completely disappeared, leaving only their skeletons or fossils. Mammoths became extinct in Siberia 10,000 years ago due to human hunting. Mastodons in North America, giant sloths and armadillos in south of this continent, giant Australian animals, the dodos on Mauritius Island and the 200 kilograms giant lemurs in Madagascar are all examples of large animal extinction. In Africa and Asia, giant animals continued to exist with the presence of humans. Giant animals were present in these lands as humans appeared and evolved. They learned how to cope with and adapt to this newly arrived intelligent and greedy creature. Where will human confrontations with nature lead in Madagascar, and other parts of our world?